welcome back to my channel and welcome to the beautiful, beautiful Las Vegas. Although it is raining and yucky outside, nonetheless, I'm thrilled to be here. And I'm here to share with you guys my newest purchase from Louis Vuitton, which is a new release for the season. So I'm super excited to get into this. If you want to check out what I picked up today from Vegas at Louis Vuitton, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I am a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well, in addition to a little bit of travel and vlogging. If those sound at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that little subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching another video. Okay guys, so we decided to take a spontaneous vacation to Las Vegas. Literally very spontaneous. We booked it earlier this week and decided it's time for our kids to experience Las Vegas. My husband and I love Las Vegas. We have come here so many times. I love it. Even came, I think, a couple years ago was the last time. And you know, we thought the kids are old enough that they probably would enjoy it and that it's not child abuse to bring a kid to Vegas, I'd say. So it's been super fun kind of showing them the sights and all the hotels, and I'm staying at my most favorite hotel on the Strip, at least for now, and that's the Encore at the Wynn Resort. So that's where I'm at right now. Sorry for the lighting. It's definitely not great lighting for filming here, but I'm just going with what's available here, and there's really zero natural sunlight because outside of our beautiful window is gray skies, unfortunately. So nonetheless, it's hard to be unhappy in Vegas. So I'm thrilled to be here, and I have a couple of unboxings for you. The first one here is from Louis Vuitton that I'm going to share with you guys. Stay tuned for an upcoming video as well, where I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up from Chanel today as well. But for this video, I want to focus on this Louis Vuitton bag because it is a new release, so I really want to share with you guys what I got. So hopefully if you're eye on this, you can consider whether or not it will work for you too. All right, so here it is. Obviously, it's huge. I went to the Wynn boutique, and according to the sales associate, this boutique was renovated or just kind of opened in June. So it's brand new. It's huge. It's just one story, so I'm not sure if it's as big as Crystal's Louis Vuitton, but it was really beautiful and pretty large. So I think there was a really good selection. I had an amazing sales associate to help me out too, which was super nice. But you know, she honestly convinced me to get this bag, so thank you, I guess. Here is a little pack up of perfume samples that she gave me as well, which I was really happy about. I love Pacific Chill. I just have not purchased it yet because whenever I try it out, I'm on vacation. And even though I believe the smallest bottle you are able to take as a hand carry, there's no way I'm going to take that back because I'm just so nervous that thing's going to break in my bag, even if it's a hand carry. So I have not picked it up yet. So I told her that, and I was hoping that I could get some samples, and she actually volunteered to give me some samples. So I do have some Pacific Chill samples here, which I love these little perfume samples because it's great for vacation like now. I can just kind of use it and throw them away. So thank you for that. Really fun. And I will pick up Pacific Chill. I think it's just a really nice fresh scent with a little bit of a citrusy type of a note, in my opinion. So love it. Definitely gonna pick it up when I get back to my home boutique. All right, so here's the bag. All right, it is huge. I don't know how I'm gonna take this back. As usual, whenever I travel, I buy these huge bags and I just don't know, but it always works out somehow. Here's my proof of purchase. All right, let's do the unboxing. All right, just get into it. This is the first time I'm opening it up because I literally just walked into the hotel a few minutes ago after going shopping. So here it is. All right, so here is the box, and I'm gonna take out the bag. Okay, here's the bag. Not sure if you can guess, this is a new release. It's not a new style, but it's a new colorway. That's a huge hint. I also had my eye on the new release Samour BB that I believe just came out too, which was available. I didn't even try it out because when I saw this bag, I honestly just fell in love, and I can't buy two bags, so I didn't even try it on. But it was there and it was beautiful. They had so many other really nice things too. I had my eye on the Nano Noe. as well, but that's just a little too small for me, but it's so cute. But for instance, if you guys watched my videos, you'll know that when I was vacationing in Colorado last fall, I picked up the Micro Matisse. Again, so cute, so it just got me, but I have not picked that thing up since I purchased it. I actually do sadly regret that purchase just because it's cute, but it's just not practical. It doesn't hold your phone, it just holds a few cards, for instance. So for me, I just have to force myself to steer away from the cuteness alone. It has to at least fit my phone. I say that now, but I probably will break that little promise to myself. But you know, I promise that I cannot get bags that don't have my phone. Anyway, this bag obviously holds my phone. All right, guys, so enough chit chat. Sorry about that. I get a little carried away, but I want to reveal to you what I actually picked up. So let me just take it out of the dust bag. And as you can see here, it's the beautiful on-the-go tote in the MM size, and they don't get many of them. Apparently, we'll see if I believe her, but she told me that this is the only one they had in stock today, and they only get them maybe once every couple of days for the past few weeks. So this is one that she claims is going to sell out just like the last year's cognac version. So I mean, I just couldn't pass it up. Look at it, it's just gorgeous. And I'm so sorry about this lighting because I don't think it's really showing the color very well, but it is a beautiful burgundy, I would say. I don't know if I call it a true wine, but it's more of a burgundy color. And it is gorgeous. This is the Empreinte leather. As you can see, it has the large monogram there and the smaller ones on the sides, like the MM on the goes always do. It has a seam on the bottom, as you can see there. And it's just a great size in my opinion. I do have the on-the-go GM in the monogram, which I love, but I don't use that much because it's pretty big. So one of these days I will put together a comparison between the MM and GM to show you guys. Plus then I will have better lighting so I can show you the true color of this bag. But it is, in my opinion, a true dark burgundy color. And then, like all on the goes, it has the little clasp like the Neverfulls to do at the top. Otherwise it's an open tote, and inside it has the little micro suede type of lining, and it says Louis Vuitton Paris on the inside. It has one large zipper pull on the wall, and then it has a couple of slip pockets as well, which is really nice. A little bit of organization, but otherwise it's just kind of a big open tote, as you can see here. And it does have these two handle straps, which I love. This is essential for me, so I am going to use this for work. I think it's not too large, such that I think this would be a great little work tote, so I'm really loving that. It fits over your shoulder really nicely, and then I do really like the look of the handheld as well. And again, it's different enough from my GM that I don't think it looks too similar. All right, I don't know if you can see the color, but it's just a beautiful burgundy. So this I thought would go great with all outfits, both blacks, brown tones, especially grays like I'm wearing now. I think it's a little bit of a chameleon type of bag and would be even more practical than the black that I had my eye on, just because it would go well with other shades as well. So I am thrilled with this bag. I am so happy I got it. I didn't want another on the go because I already have one, but in this size, I think this tote is super practical. I'm gonna wear it to work, and I don't think that it's too flashy because unlike my monogram one, which obviously is flashy, this one is more subtle. So I think it's the perfect little work tote. I may put up a picture of this as well in this video here, or get a picture from the website just to show you guys the true color, because it is just beautiful. All right guys, so there you have it. That was my quick Louis Vuitton unboxing, but if you have your eye on this tote, I would suggest definitely going and picking it up, because I think I agree with her that it's gonna sell out just like last year's colorway did. This wine for me is perfect. It's gorgeous and it's neutral. Perfect for work. So I will let you know how it works out for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you had fun with this quick little Louis Vuitton unboxing here live from the Encore. Stay tuned for my upcoming video from Chanel, where I'm going to share with you guys a couple of pieces I picked up from there today as well. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.